Happy Wednesday! It's the 29th of April, and I'm in a great mood. I hope you are too. So, the last two lessons in math, we've been focusing a lot on finding time to the half hour, or times that are half past a certain hour, right? Well, today we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna be telling time either to the hour or the half hour. So you gotta pay attention to exactly what we're asking you, okay? I know you're gonna be able to do it. Let's get started. It says, circle the correct clock. Write the times for the other two clocks on the line. So let me do number one first. Circle the clock that shows 1:30. Another way of saying 1:30 is 1:30. So I need to circle the clock that shows 1:30. This doesn't show 1:30. This shows 1 o'clock. 1:30. This is halfway between 1 and 2. That looks good so far. And this minute hand is on the 6, which means 30. 1:30. This looks pretty good. Let me put a dot there. This is half between the 12 and the 1, which means 12:30. So that's not it. So this one shows 1:30. Now I need to write the times of the other two clocks on this line. Well, clock A says 1 o'clock. And clock C, so I need to write the wrong ones on the line. It says it's between the 12 and the 1, which means it's 12. And the minute hand is on the 6, which means 30. 12:30. All right, let's do number 2. Can you guys help me out with this one? All right, it says circle the clock that shows 7 o'clock. Well, first we need to look at each clock and see what time it says. This hour hand is on the 7. This is on the o'clock. This is on the 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock. All right, which one shows 7 o'clock? Say the letter. Yeah, a lot of people said A. All right, well, we need to write the times of B and C. What time does clock B say? 8 o'clock. And what time does clock C say? Remember, you look at the hour hand, the shorthand first. 6 o'clock. You guys are getting so good at telling time. Let's keep going. Circle the clock that shows 10:30. 10:30. 10:30. It needs to be halfway past 10. Okay, cool. This is not 10:30. It's 11:30. This shows that's on 11. Ooh, this one is halfway past 10. And halfway around the clock on the 6, 10:30. C. Now I need to write the times of A and B. What time does clock A say? Yeah, if you said 11:30, you got it. Now, what time does clock B say? Oh, I heard a lot of people say 11 o'clock. Yep, so right. And we were not looking for 11:30 or 11 o'clock. We were looking for 10:30 or 10:30. 4. What time is it? Write the times on the line. What? But some of these clocks don't even have numbers. Well, I know what number should go here. So what number should go here? Woo! Okay, so then what time does this say? If it's pointing to the 2 and the hour hand is pointing up. Yep. 2 o'clock. Don't worry, friends. Some clocks don't have numbers, and that's because they know that you're so smart that you know where the numbers go on the clock. So you can just use your brain. Well, this luckily has lines. So this is 12 is always at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's between 4 and 5. Halfway between 4 and 5 means what time is it? With this minute hand pointing down to the 6. Yep, 4:30. It's a little bit tricky without those numbers, but you can go ahead and draw those numbers in if you want. Well, I know 12 is always at the top. I know 3 is always at the side. 6 is always at the bottom. 9 is always right here. So that must mean that this number is 10. Really, really tricky. 10 o'clock. Whew. I'm glad these other clocks have these numbers, because without numbers, it's really, really tricky. Let's keep going. Fill in the blanks. Clock blank shows 3:30. 3:30. So what time are we looking for? 3:30. Yeah, if you said 3:30, you're right. Which of these clocks show 3:30? A or B? Yep. B. Clock B shows 3:30. What time does clock A show? Yep, 4:30 or 4:30. Let's do number 2. Clock blank shows 12:30. 12:30. Not 12 o'clock. 12:30. Again, you got it. B. B shows 12:30. A shows 12 o'clock. All right, number 3. Clock blank shows 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Yep, clock A. What time does clock B show? Yeah, they can't trick us. That shows 10 o'clock. Not the time we need. Clock blank shows 8:30. You guys can do both of these on your own. Clock blank shows 8:30. Clock blank shows 5 o'clock. Go ahead and do both of those now. These should have been so easy. I'm giving you the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. You should have circled clock A shows 8:30, and then you should have circled clock B shows 5 o'clock. Who got that? You did! Okay, check you out. Write the time on the line under the clock. Go ahead and do A, B, C. Look at the clocks, write what time they say. Some of these are tricky. Do not get tricked. You got this. And then make sure that you're looking at the hour hand first, which is the short hand. Then looking at that long minute hand. Telling you the answers in 10, and 9, and 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and 0. Okay, so for this one, who got 1:30? Yeah, I tricked you. No, it's not 1:30. It's 1 o'clock. Some of you were like, wait, what? You know I like tricking people. All right. For this one, you should have got 11:30. Yeah. For this one, you should have got 6 o'clock. If you got that, say, oh yeah. It's time for the exit ticket. It's time for the exit ticket. It's time for the exit ticket. On the exit ticket, you don't have to draw all 3 clocks. All you need to do for number 1, just write a number 1 and draw the 1 clock that shows 3 o'clock. And then write number 2. For number 2, you need to draw all 3. For number 1, you only need to draw the right answer. For number 2, draw 3 clocks. On clock A, draw the hands to show 4:30. On clock B, just write what time that clock says. You don't need to draw the clock. And then for clock C, draw the clock and draw the hands to show 9 o'clock. I'll say it again. For number 1, you only need to draw the 1 clock that shows the right answer. That shows 3:30. For number 2, you need to draw clock A and draw the right time with the hands to show 4:30. For clock B, you don't need to draw the clock. You can just write what time it says. And then for clock C, draw the clock and the hands to show 9 o'clock. You guys got it? I'm sending you some love. Thank you, parents, for all your help. I miss you guys. Your work has been so neat. I've been getting so many really good pictures of these clocks. I'm going to have to put these in some of my videos some of these days. All right. See you guys soon. Can't wait to see your work. Text me your pictures or text your other teachers. Got it? All right. See you tomorrow.